Speed Trap report.
All right, what's happening, everybody? I am on the way to Timonium, Maryland for the International Motorcycle Show up there. Primary reason why I'm going is because they usually have a swap meet, and I'm going to check out, see if they have any parts I need. I don't need anything, whatever, the bike is together, but the main thing is, I want to make sure I can find a few things. I'm looking for a backrest for my bike, whatever, so I can make this trip down to Savannah, and then from Savannah down to Daytona. So, yeah, I'm gonna need a backrest with that Muscle 107. Give me a moment and I'll be right back with you. So I just got home from Timonium. Hours my drive back or whatever. But needless to say, there was a ton of music playing. If there wasn't a band playing, there was a DJ. If the DJ wasn't playing, there was somebody playing music from the motorcycle. So that's why I didn't use any of the footage that I shot from the show or whatever, because it had music all through it, whatever, and I didn't want to get demonetized from it. But I did find a backrest. Shout out to Miss Rochelle from Columbus, Ohio, and her friend Jen, they were both vending as well. She came down to vend at the swap meet. So good looking out. And my wife is a Buckeye and all that kind of stuff as well. She's from Ohio. But yeah, this is my blog for Daytona. Daytona March 7th through the 10th or whatever, 2024. So yeah. If you like stuff like this, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.